Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about order of operation in mathematics. Before we jump into it, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. The order of operation in mathematics is PEMDAS or BODMAS. BODMAS is bracket orders, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. PEMDAS is parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and then subtraction. Whenever you find two operators of the same precedence in a given problem, you evaluate from left to right. Parenthesis and bracket has the same precedence. Exponent and orders has the same precedence. Multiplication and division has the same precedence. Addition and subtraction also has the same precedence. Let's solve example A using order of operation in mathematics. Example A is 10 plus 10 divided by 5 times 2 minus 5 plus 5. From the order of operation, we need to evaluate division in this example, that is 10 divided by 5, followed by the multiplication, and then we deal with addition and subtraction, which has the same precedence, so we evaluate from left to right. 10 plus 10 divided by 5 is 2 times 2 minus 5 plus 5. We evaluate the multiplication. 10 plus 2 times 2 is 4 minus 5 plus 5. We now have operators of the same precedence, so the next step is to evaluate from left to right. And from the left, 10 plus 4 is 14. And then to the right, minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So the correct answer turns out to be 14. Now, let's put 5 by 2 in brackets. Putting 5 by 2 in bracket, in this example, we need to evaluate what we have in the parentheses, not the division anymore. So that will be 10 plus 10 divided by 5 by 2 is 10 minus 5 plus 5. 10 plus 10 divided by 10 is 1 minus 5 plus 5. We now have operators of the same precedence. We evaluate from left to right. From the left, 10 plus 1 is 11. 5 minus 5 is 0. So the final answer turns out to be 11. You can see we are working with the same question but different answers following the order of operation due to the nature of the example. Now let's put 10 plus 10 in parentheses. So 10 plus 10 divided by 5 times 2 minus 5 plus 5. Since we have a bracket, we need to evaluate the bracket first. 10 plus 10 is 20 divided by 5 times 2 minus 5 plus 5. 20, we have division, so we need to evaluate the division. 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 2 minus 5 plus 5. In this expression, since we have multiplication, we need to evaluate the multiplication. 4 times 2 is 8, and then minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So let's try example B. From example B, 10 divided by 2, parenthesis 3 plus 3. We need to evaluate what we have in the parenthesis. So that will be 10 divided by 2, parenthesis 3 plus 3 is 6. Now we need to evaluate the division. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 parenthesis 6 is 5 by 6. And 5 by 6 is 30. And this is the correct answer for this example. From the second example, which is 10 divided by 2, parenthesis 3 plus 3. Do not distribute 2 among what we have in the parenthesis, that is you distribute 2 among 3 and then 2 among 3. When you distribute 2 among 3, 2 by 3 is 6. Another 2 by 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So we now have 10 divided by 12. When you follow the order of operation, you will arrive at a correct answer of 8. 10 divided by 6 will not give you the correct answer, so it is good to always follow the order of operation. It is almost impossible to solve a mathematical problem without encountering an order of operation. If you see value in this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. See you in my next tutorial.